Calvin Klein or CK is a versatile brand in the world of fashion.
Of course, with every big fashion companies comes their founder's humble beginning. In 1963, Calvin graduated with a degree on Fashion Institute of Technology. He began a job in a dressmaking company but left because, according to him, his boss refused to give him a pay raise, despite of working more than he could chew. 5 years later, he launched his own shop with just $10,000 in his pockets. Calvin opened a coat shop in 1968, and since the shop was situated in New York, it wasn't long before his displayed coats and designs were viewed by thousands of people every day. Back then, his coats were simple yet very fashionable, which appealed greatly to the younger folks. And the following year, with the success he has garnered, CK appeared on the cover of Vogue magazine. Today, there are more than 12,000 stores worldwide that sold CK products.